Good day, everyone. The first topic that I will discuss is Introduction to Data Types in Java. We have integers, real numbers or floating point numbers, characters, strings, booleans, and user-defined types. So when we say integer, it is a number without a decimal point. Examples, 100, -2, 42, -45, and 999. While real numbers or floating point numbers are numbers with a decimal point. Another definition of real numbers is it includes all the rational and irrational numbers. Examples, -5.1, 101.5, 100.9, and -1.1. So we can conclude that all integers can be a real number. Next is characters. So basically, it is what you can see in your keyboard and menu more. Examples, A, question mark, 5, and dollar sign. As you can notice, all the characters must be in between of a single quotation mark. Next, strings. String is a group of characters or text. So examples, hello, 523, and hi. So if the characters should be in between of a single quotation mark, strings should be in between of a double quotation mark. Next is booleans. So booleans has only two values, which is true or false. We need booleans because it is used to create a condition. And lastly, user-defined types. So it is a custom type using classes and objects that you create. The next topic is if, else if, and else statement. So this if statement is used to execute a code based on a given condition. So here is the syntax. So the word if, and inside the open and close parentheses is your condition, and inside the curly brackets is your statements. Always remember that the statements are only executed if the condition evaluates to true. If not, then the statement will be skipped and will go to the else if statement. If the condition evaluates to true, then the statement will execute. But if not, then it will go to the else statement and perform the given command or statement. And lastly, we will discuss about the loop statement. So, loop is a structure that repeats a sequence of instruction until the condition is met. So, when do we use loops? For example, we want to print hello world 100 times. So, by the use of these loop statements, you can easily print hello world 100 times or more than that. So we have different loops. The first one is the for loop. So here is the syntax. So the word for, the initialization, condition, and the update. So update, it is the implementation and decrementation of the initialized value. So the next is while syntax. So while, then open and close parenthesis, condition, and then your statements. Do while syntax is the do word, then the statements inside the curly brackets, the word while, and your condition or your Boolean expression. So what are the difference between while and do while loop? So while loop checks the condition first before executing the statement, while do while loop is it will First, it will execute the statement before checking the condition. So that's all. Thank you for watching.